Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you connect your EE Box Mini step-by-step wireless and HDMI setup. Step 1. Establish the HDMI connection. Plug the HDMI cable into the port labeled HDMI on the back of your EE Box Mini. Connect the other end directly into an open HDMI port on the back or side of your television. Note the port number printed on your TV casing such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 for later reference. Avoid using HDMI switches or splitters which can block the HDCP copyright signal and cause a black screen. Step 2. Attach the power supply. Insert the power cable into the round DC input port on your EE Box Mini. Plug the power adapter straight into a permanent main wall socket rather than an extension lead. Turn on the wall switch to send power to the hardware. Watch the front indicator light on the mini box to ensure it illuminates and boots up. Step 3. Configure the TV input source. Turn on your television using your original TV manufacturer's remote control. Press the source button. Sometimes it may be labeled as input or an icon showing an arrow inside a box. Select the exact HDMI number that matches where you plugged in the EE Box Mini. Wait for the EE logo or the initial welcome greeting to load on your screen. Step 4. Complete the wireless setup wizard. Grab your EE remote and follow the automated instructions displayed on the screen. Select wireless connection when the system asks how you want to link your home network. Choose your EE Smart Hub network name from the list of detected nearby signals. Type your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard or press the WPS button on your router to pair instantly. Opt for an Ethernet cable between the router and the mini box if your Wi-Fi signal is too weak. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe